Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to track any flight using your iPhone very easily. No need to download any types of application. You just follow my tips and tricks and you can very easily track any flight of any company. How to do it? We will see detailed demonstration on mobile screen. So let's start demonstration. This is my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I just simply open here message application and simply search here one of the contact. So suppose for example currently I am traveling and I want send my flight number or detail on my family member so they can very easily track me. So you can type here my flight is EasyJet and the flight number is U2502. I just simply send this flight. So here the company and the flight number. If I tab here, so look at this here, preview flight, and copy the code. So we just simply say here preview flight. So where is going flight? Liverpool to Belfast. The flight is going here. So now the flight is just start from Belfast to coming as a lower fast. And look at this here, flight is on time, status on time, the departure time, arrival time, duration time, and all details are coming here. If the flight is start from there, so like 8:22, so the flight is showing here mid of the sea and somewhere other places, but flight is not departure yet. So I will show you some other demos also, like suppose SK909. If I send this flight and if I tap here, so look at this here, previous flight Copenhagen to New York. The flight is going on directly on Europe to North America in New York City. So we can see one more flights SK910 and just simply tap here. This flight is also going the same place, but like a New York to Copenhagen flight is coming. And look at this, the flight is here. So now delayed 45 minutes is delay, and now the reaching is like a 7:43, but the flight is a delay little, so accordingly arrive late. So here showing the flight number and details. So that is interesting. Now we can type here one more flight. No need to type like a company name. You just simply type here the flight number like SK. The all flights comes from the flight information is unavailable currently, but you can track very easily, and that one is absolutely free.
If you really like this video, so please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.